I don't think so. 13-9, sayang. After a good play, what do they do? They really waste that.
Yeah, with a
service error.
Service error pa, no? Eulalio.
Eulalio hits it out.
Lucky break as there's a touch.
Ball, says the referee.
Nasa ilalim si Gwyneth Eulalio that time, ano? That's why she was a little surprised as well. She was under the ball here.
Ayun, yung right hand.
Sharp eye by our officials here today. 14-9. Now it's a 5-point lead for FEU, the biggest
service
in the set so far.
Nice serve from Rojas.
Underhand set by Salibad. And not a solid contact from Andrea Marzan and the ball that time.
Marzan on your screens
service
has
Rojas
missed out on 2 tries. Inside.
That's an ace.
That was definitely well inside. With the way the ball was dropping, you could tell that was going to be inside. 16-9, a 7-point lead by FEU, courtesy of a 2-point stretch coming from the serve of Major Rojas. Take a look at this serve and how quickly it goes down in ibang klase.
Yeah, that's the classic floater serve. You know, it starts out really, really high. You think it's gonna go outside. It's not moving. It's steady, but at the last, at the last half of that serve, biglang bumababa.
And slow mo pa yun, ha? Pero tinan nyo gano'ng kabilis mo ba yung bola, di ba? I mean, that's how...
Mahirap
tansyahin yun.
Basahin yung serve na ganun. Let's see if he can do it again.
Byron, off the block. Nice dig by Rojas. Here comes Baniel. Agnos, pretty active defensively for FEU.
Gandang depensa pinapakita ni Agno. Nice set.
Vargas. Galang will pick up there. Vargas almost got called with interference again there for overreach. Vargas. That's wide.
Vargas hits it out.
Wow, see, Vargas really loads up every time. It's always the same. Her approach is always the same. Talagang tatangan. Pero yung consistency, yun lang ang hinahanap natin sa kanya. Unlike, especially in that instance, it was a long rally. You gotta be sure that it was a good set given to you, pero ang haba, ang wide nung kanyang palo. You gotta be more consistent. Buti pang patamain mo sa kamay ng block. Just like that one. That went in between the block.
Nice save by Dadang. Free ball for FEU. That's off the block, coming off the hit by Gwyneth Eulalio. Point FEU.
That came off the block of Pablo. Good combination attack. There was a back quick, and Eulalio, although she was a bit late for that running attack, she got that ball over the net into the hand of Pablo, and they got the point.
Service ace by Vargas as it is now an 8-point lead by FEU. Let's listen to NU.
Magpadiretso trajecto ng bola. Pag tinayuan mo yan, ano mangyayari? Tatalsik yan. Trajectory ng bola, pa-outside. Kung bumuha ka, malamang naging outside yung bola. Tumayo ka eh. Natural, hindi lalampas sa balikat mo yun. Ano ba talaga? Anong gusto mo? Sige, gawa. Receive. Sino nasa harap? Saka si Myla. O, trabaho tayo. Quick, ha? Ayun yun.
Now I think he was trying to fight off a smile. Parang gusto nang umiti ni Coach.
Ito, tignan natin kung ano yung sinasabi niya. Patalon ka nga naman. Mataas na yung bola, so it's so hard to get a good, to front the ball in a good
and
angle.
Receive it softly,
para maiwating mo. Talagang titilapon yung bola sa labas.
That's a better reception, resulting in a free ball for FEU.
Nice.
Parang slam dunk.
Nice play. That was like a warm-up for Eulalio and C. Eulalio picks up the reception, saktong-sakto yung timing. Ang maganda kasi sa ganung play, although sometimes you don't want that because you've parang sinasabi mo, total, nagtrabaho ka na naman sa reception, hindi na kita papagurin, hindi na. Pero, yun yung magandang timing kasi yung bola nanggaling doon sa attacker eh. Alam niya yung timing nung dating ng bola sa setter at nung pasok niya.
Pablo. Check ball. Point NU, pero layo-layo na hinahabol dito ng Lady Bulldogs. They're down by 9. Wow! Gastroenteritis or not, Kai Nepomuceno. Wasn't she from the... Did she come straight from the hospital?
Wow.
Kasi kanina pinag-uusapan natin in our pregame, sabi ni Coach Vicente, she is at the hospital.
I won't be surprised if there'll be nurses running here and trying to get her back into the hospital. Baka tumakas lang pala.
Sandali lalabas ako. Sa nurses station lang ako punta.
Tandit, may bibili lang ako sa canteen. Biglang nandito na sa ano. Wow.
Well, that shows you the dedication and the courage of these players. There's a timeout on the floor. Let's listen to FEU.
Ha? Susunod na, abot, pak, mabilis na gano'n. Doon, nabibigay mo naman yung running, yung B, wala. So, gamitin mo yung center spiker mo. Hindi na halos sinasabayan eh. Dahil wala naman na ibibigay na hindi mo naman nabibigay. Subukan mo ibigay mo ng bigay, hindi naman sasabayan na ano.
Ano mo kay? Yung cover na tayo. Huwag mo matahan ng cover.
Hey, FEU!
Lagi may cover yung goal.
Just some offensive adjustments on the part of Coach Nes Pamilar as you look at Kai Nepomuceno. For those of you who just tuned in, it was earlier reported she was not going to play today because of gastroenteritis. And luckily today we have a doctor, a real doctor on the panel, so he can actually explain to you what that is.
Well, I think I was absent or I was doing something else when my teacher was
because
it sounds like in class.
It sounds like a lot of medical mumbo jumbo to me.
Well, Kai Nepomuceno, like what you said, she was reported that she's in the hospital and she won't be able to make it, but somehow she found a way. And like what you said, yung puso ng Kai Nepomuceno, she wants to play, baby. When she was given the go signal, okay, ito play, sige, hahabol ako. You know, kahit na alam niya nag-start na yung laro, habol pa rin.
Well, so kung kayo may reklamo kayo sa buhay, masakit ang ulo niyo or something, sipin niyo na lang yung nadaanan ng mga players natin dito sa UAAP.
That's true. Kung sakit lang na ulo, inuman nyo na lang siya. Gamot, di ba? Painkiller. And sorry, Eric, but for the teammates of Kai, you know, if you see that Kai is back in, your team captain.
That really brings up your morale.
Oh. She has that effect on you.
But right now, it's a huge deficit that Kai Nepomuceno and the Lady Bulldogs are staring at, but they can fight it off 1 point at a time, just like that one lady block by Carmina Aguinaldo.
Medyo mababa yung set for Eulalio.
Pablo is serving. Myla Pablo, National University. Bagang. That's Dawson.
Nice block.
At the net.
That was a great block by Aganon.
And Coach Nes Pamilar feeling this little run by NU calls a timeout. Let's listen to FEU.
Hindi mo ba spin practice yung pumalo na straight? Diba? Bakit puro diagonal lang ang ginagawa? So, diskarte, nandun na yung block, nandun na lahat. Straight dun, diba? Nagagawa, pinapractice naman sa niya. Bigol, parang lito-lito naman tayo pag magsiset na. So, pwestuhan mo, takbuhan mo na mabilis, pwesto ka, ilalim ka sa bola, tsaka may abot na gano'n. Hindi yung ganyan-ganyan ka lang. Ha? Sige lang.
Apat na lang yan, oh. Tiwala naman. Hey, FEU! Tiwala tayo sa sarili, oh.
Coach Nes Pamilar wanting some variety sa kanilang depensa or make that opensa instead of just pure diagonal hits.
True.
Medyo down the line naman, pinapractice naman natin. So let's try and implement that. Wag parang litong-lito sa court, ano? Because we do that all the time. So we should know when we find ourselves in that situation to be able to adjust.
That's right. And the calming voice of Coach Nes Pamilar during that time. Parang gusto ko abutan ng jacket yung mga players. Baka ginigin ang lamig ng ball. Parang gusto ko abutan ng jacket sila GCLC eh. Coach Ness, kaibigan natin yan. Kita mo naman, very simple yung instructions niya. Hindi naman kailangan laging cross-court. You also have to give different looks to your opponents. And sinabi niya kay Banyel, their second setter, huwag natataranta o nagsiset para naman lagi siyang naghahabol. Hindi, pwestuhan niya maigi and then just give out the set to her attackers.
But right now, very coolly putting that ball across the net, Carmina Aganon with that soft touch. Oh, nice serve, an ace. And right now, fighting back are the Lady Bulldogs. Parang ito na naman yung same situation as set number 1 we find ourselves in.
That's true.
Where NU
Makes a late
makes
run.
a late run.
Agano.
Let's see if they can complete this, though, as compared to what happened in set number 1, where they lost. Vargas from the back row.
Nice
Vargas.
from the back. Vargas.
Scores with her attack.
Goes to show you how much power Rosemary Vargas packs in that right
And
arm. Ano?
when she gets the timing right, the flick of the wrist right, ang ganda nung angle na binibigay niya sa bola. And the power is always there. So really a threat from the front and of course from behind the line.
Aganon will play setter here. Nepomuceno with her first touch of the ball today. Nice save by Galang, the libero. Nepomuceno, second touch. Vargas winds up off
Outside
the
it,
block.
Vargas.
Check ball. Set point,
It's a check
FEU.
ball, says the referee.
Vargas
Lady Tamaraw.
deciding to hit it
Set
off the
point.
block.
Advantage.
Ayun, oh, malinaw na malinaw. Sa libad,
Agano.
having the last touch.
3-point.
Bagang
Lady Bulldogs.
wants to play some more.
Aga pa daw masyado.
In the second set,
24-17 as Gillego will replace Richelle Bagang.
NU. 8 out, 9. Mandapat in.
Getting some of the younger girls minutes on
that's true.
Serving
the Taraflex.
Bulldogs.
17 serving 24. Vargas. And
Vargas.
that's all she wrote. Vargas finishing off set number 1 and set number 2 as well.
Oo nga, no?
He's been
Siya
the
rin yung-
finisher.
Siya rin yung final point ng first set.
Para sa FEU. And FEU, 2-0 after getting sets number 1 and 2, 25-23, 25-17.